You go the
Amedzofe. This Easter weekend, April 19th to April 21st, get the great Red Cup experience live at Avatime, Amedzofe. The ultimate party weekend, 3 days, 3 nights. Beauprinz Media alongside Red Cup crew presents April 19th Easter launch party, April 20th Beam Nation vs Sata Movement fan base party, and on Sunday, April 21st, the biggest annual Easter social gathering in Avatime,
the Red Cup Party.
At the post office forecast, come meet your finest DJs, DJ Sedem, DJ Karanja, DJ Sedi, playing all your finest tunes all night long. Plus very special performances from Chief One, Mokoko, Katsum Snow, Mama Volta, and many more. Hosted by the Truth. Dresscode, Red Cup t-shirts going for cool prices. And guess what? All 3 events are free! For VIP treatment, table reservations, and vendor spaces, call 0205-909-346. Media partners, Our TV, Desert Film, Volta Connect, Max Shot Photograph, DJ Sedem, Max Time TV, Whole 92.5 FM, Squeeze FM 93.7, Sound High. Red Cup Experience, the place to be this Easter. Beauprinz Media, bringing brands to life.
I just went 10K my bed. Oh God, my set.